everyone, this is the hair care video. I want to share my hair treatment experience with you. First of all, I would like to show you my hair. What is it like? I had a serious hair loss problem and had a dull hair up to 8 months ago. My hairstylist has suggested me to use Argan Life Ultra Nourishing Oil Treatment and hair care product to cure my hair. I checked the products which contain vitamin E, omega-3 and omega-9 unsaturated fatty acids but sulfate, silicone, alcohol-free. I have started to use these stuffs every day. Before taking bath, pour some ultra nourishing oil on the head and spread it across the hair so that it becomes applied from tips to roots of hair. After that, gently massage and rub the oil on my head. I use a brush or comb to distribute evenly the oil. Rub the head in a hot piece of cloth or towel for some time before washing the hair. Then thoroughly wash my hair with hair care product. How do I apply? Apply enough amount to wet hair and massage gently throughout scalp and hair approximately 1-2 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly with warm water. After 6 months, my hair looks healthy, shiny, strong and thick. No hair on my white sheets and pillow. I strongly recommend Argan Life Ultra Nourishing Oil Treatment and hair care product to people who have a hair loss problem and have a weak, dull hair. Here is the website www.arganlifeproducts.com.